Hi students, same series of word problems measurement part 3. Okay, now we are starting the sums. First question is, a person hired a taxi on rent to go 12 kilometers. He wants to go 12 kilometers. For first 2 kilometers he pays rupees 25. How much money he is paying? 25 rupees for first 2 kilometers. Okay, and then next every kilometer he pays rupees 10. Every kilometer he is paying 10. After that, then how much money does he have to pay to the taxi owner? How much money he has to pay? So what is the question first of all? So how much distance total he has to cover? He wants to cover 12 kilometers. Okay, total distance is 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers, right? First 2 kilometers he is paying. For first 2 kilometers he is paying rupees 25, right? Now how much distance remain? Total 12 kilometers. First 2 kilometers he is covering for 25. Remain distance is equal to how much? Remain distance is equal to 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 kilometers, right? 2 kilometers he is paying 25, but remaining 10 kilometers. So per kilometer how much he is paying? Every kilometer means per kilometer he is paying 10 rupees. How much money he is paying? 10 rupees. So how much distance is also there? 10 kilometer. So next every kilometer he pays rupees 10. Now, so for 10 kilometers how much he has to pay? For 10 kilometers he has to pay is equal to 10 kilometer and 10 rupees. So 100 rupees. Okay, so first he is paying rupees 25, then he is paying rupees 100. Now how much total he has to pay? So total money he has to pay is, total money he has to pay is equal to 100 plus 25 is equal to 125 rupees. Okay, simple question, simple solution. Total distance first of all you have to find out, and that is 12 kilometers. And for first 2 kilometer he is paying 2 kilometer, sorry, 25 rupees. And then remaining distance, how much? 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So that remaining distance he is paying rupees 10 per kilometer. So 1 kilometer 10 rupees. So 10 kilometer 10 into 10 is equal to 100 rupees. And all how much he has to pay? All he has to pay first 25 plus 100 is equal to 125. Okay, this is very simple question. You can get the answer easily. Okay, now we are going for next example. Now next example is, an engine pumps 84,500 liter of water in an hour. Engine runs for 10 hours, right? And in a day, how much it runs? 10 hours. How much water does it pumps in 5 days? Okay, so first of all you have to find out the hours of 5 days, right? Hours of 5 days means in one day it runs for 10 hours. In a day means one day. So in one day it runs for 10 hours. Then how many days? For 5 days. So for in 5 days, sorry, in 5 days it runs is equal to 10 into 5 is equal to 50 hours. How many hours it will run? 50 hours, because for one day it runs 10 hours, and how much we have to run? 5 days. So how much it will run? 50 hours. Now an engine pumps 84,500 liter water in hour, in 1 hour. In an hour means 1 hour. Okay, so how much hours it runs? 50 hours, right? In 1 hour it pumps how much water? 84,500 liter. And how many hours we have to work? 50 hours. It pumps dash water. Okay, here also multiply 84,500 into 50. Okay, if you don't know, you can multiply simple into 55 you can do, and after that you can add 0. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 5 are 25, 2 carry, 5 4 are 20 plus 2 22, 2 carry again, 8 5 are 40 plus 2 42. Okay, how much? 422500 and 10 of this 50, so 10 we will add, right? So it will pump 42 lakh 25,000 liter of water, right? This is common, this is not full point. So 42,025 liter of water it will run. So you have to be careful that how many hours are how many days it runs, then how much hours it runs in a day. So 1 day it runs for 10 hours, so 5 days 50 hours. 1 hour it pumps 84,500 and 50 hours it will pump 42 lakh 25,000 of water. Okay, this is called unitary method. All the sums which we are doing, that is unitary method. So this method will be helpful for solving this kind of sum. Some more examples we are also covering. Now see, next example is the cost of 1 upon 4 kg tea is rupees 12. Then how much tea one gets in rupees 36? It is very simple question and very simple solution. After this sum, we are doing some different sums. So be with the video, don't skip. Now see, the cost of 1 upon 4 kg is equal to how much? 12 rupees. Okay, in 12 rupees, how much tea you are getting? 1 upon 4 kg. Then in 36 rupees, how much you will get? That your direct unitary method is there. So 12 rupees in 12 rupees, you get 1 upon 4 kg, right? So in rupees 36, you get is equal to how much? Right? 36 into 1 upon 4, right? Upon 12. This 12. This is first. Second, in previous video, I have explained the first term, second term, third term, and fourth term you are supposed to get the answer. So first, second, and third will go as a numerator, but here it is denominator is given, so we have to write. So 36 upon 12, this is denominator, it will become this numerator and denominator same to same we have to write. Now 12 3s are 36. Okay, 12 3s are 36. 3 1 ja 3 and 4. 3 upon 4 kg of tea you can get in 36 rupees. It's very simple, just only multiplication and cancellation. This is called unitary method. Okay, now next sum is that is somewhat different. Now this question is like this: the cost of 2 pens or 5 pencils is equal to rupees 10. Then what is the cost of 4 pens and 4 pencils? So first of all you have to find out the price of pencil and price of pens and pencils, their pens and their pencils, right? So now what you have to do is, so here first of all 2 pens cost is equal to how much? 10 rupees. So 2 pens is equal to 10 rupees, right? Now how many pens we need? 4 pens. So 4 pens is equal to how much he has to pay? 4 into 10 divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4. So what is the cost? 20 rupees of 4 pens. This is for 4 pens. Now 5 pencils. So 5 pencils is equal to how much is to pay? 10. Now how many pencils here? Here 4 pencils. 4 pencils is equal to how much? So 4 into 10 divided by 5. 5 2 ja 10. Now here 4 2 ja 8 rupees. Okay, now total cost here is asked. What is the cost of 4 pens and 4 pencils? So 4 pens total cost is equal to pens is equal to 20 plus pencil is equal to 8 is equal to 28. This is your answer. Okay, only just here difference is here two sums are there. In previous sum there was only one sum, but both the time you have to use unitary method, right? It is very simple. Today also I am going to give you one question for solution, and you have to find out the solution, and you have to give the answer in. I will not give any option. No, I will give you option. Okay, and that question answer you have to write in comment, and you have to send me. Right, that is the question. I want to check that how many of you are watching video properly and how many are interested in maths. Okay, that's why that question will be for homework. I will write here only, and you have to solve that question and send me the answer. So be with me. One more example also we are doing, and then after that example I will give you homework, right? Now see, the next example is the cost of 3 pens and 5 pencil is same, means equal. How many pencils can be bought in place of 15 pens? 15 pens, how many pencils you can get? So here you can compare. In 3 pencils, how many 3 pens, how many pencils you are getting? 5 pencils. So 3 pens is equal to 5 pencils, right? Now how many pens, sorry, 3 pens is equal to 5 pencils. How many pens we have? 15 pens. So 15 pens is equal to how much? Okay, again same unitary method. 15 into 5 upon 3. 3 5 is 15. So how many pencils we get in place of 15 pens? We'll get 25 pencils, because pencil cost is lower than pens, according to this question. Okay, such kind of questions you can use unitary method. They are very simple. You can do oral answer also. It is very easy. Now I am going to give you a question that is somewhat different, so you have to practice this question, and you have to write the answer in comment, right? Only then tomorrow also, or in next video, I will show you calculation of that same question. Okay, now going for homework. Now see the question for you. So what is the question? Homework question. And the question is, a monkey climbs a pole, ascends 6 meter 6 meters and slips 3 meters in alternate minutes, right? He's going up and he's coming down. If the pole is 60-meter high, he is climbing on one pole. Okay, one pole is there, right? On that pole he is climbing, whose height is 60 meters. How long will it take the monkey to reach the top? The pole height is 60 meter, and how much time it will take to climb or to reach the top? Here monkey has to reach, right? So options are A 36 minutes, B 37 minutes, C 40 minutes, and D 32 minutes, right? As I said, find the solution and write the answer in comment section. So for today's video, this much only. Thank you so much watching this video. If you like this video, you can share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification regularly. Thank you once more.